you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll keep posting daily inventory of new incoming vehicles, all makes, all models, various damage types. We have 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Honda Accord Sport. This vehicle is a freshwater flood damage vehicle that we're in the process of repairing. As you can see, the engine compartment is clean. No rust, no corrosion. Really nice. No condensation in the headlights. These are all good indications that this was a very low flood. We do these videos to educate our buyers on what to look for when purchasing flood damaged vehicles. You got to be careful because not everybody's as transparent as we are. We disclose all the damages, if any, to our vehicles. We take you through the repair process. We show you exactly what we do to repair vehicles. We show you exactly what we do. And if there's issues with the vehicle, we'll disclose them. That's part of being a repairable car dealership. Full transparency. No reason to lie or hide or tell people otherwise. Best to be transparent with our clients, so this way they know what they're getting involved in. On this particular vehicle, we made the decision to build it because the water line was very low. So we pulled the interior on it. We dried everything out. We replaced all the foam on the carpets. Seat tracks, clean all the contacts. Put a dehumidifier in here. We run it with the heat to completely dry everything out. We put the entire interior in the heated garage. Then we clean all the contacts with a rust inhibitor and some sort of lubricant, so even if there's some moisture, it won't rust in the future, just in case, because water does get everywhere. But we take extra precautions to make sure it's completely dry. But this car has been completed. There's a couple other small things we're doing right now, like any imperfections on the body. We're buffing them out. Just making sure it's 100% before we sell it to the next person. We do offer financing on the vehicles that we repair. It'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.